वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स। आज हम पढ़ेंगे टैली की एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 3। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच शॉर्टकट opens the company info menu in Tally ERP9? Options are Alt plus F1, Alt plus F2, Alt plus F3, Alt plus F4. So the correct option is Alt plus F3. C is the correct option. Next question is the feature to activate GST in Tally is found under. Options are F4 Contra, F11 Features, F12 Configuration, and D is Gateway of Tally. So here the correct answer is F11 Features. B is the correct answer. Question number 3 is which voucher type records money transferred between cash and bank? So the options are payment voucher, receipt voucher, contra voucher, general voucher. So the answer is C, contra voucher. Fourth is to view stock summary in Tally ERP9 navigate to. Options are display to accounts book, then to ledger, display to inventory books, then to stock summary, display to statutory reports and then GST, then display to balance sheet. Basically stock summary की बात कर रहा है तो सब में से stock summary option B में शो कर रहा है. So B is the correct answer. Display, then inventory books, okay, then stock summary. Question number 5 is the default method of stock valuation in Tally is. Options are FIFO, LIFO, average cost, lower of cost, or market. मतलब whichever is lower, set cost price or market price. So here the option is average cost. Next is which report shows outstanding payables by age? Options are payable register, outstanding analysis, aging analysis, then trial balance. So here the answer is aging analysis, C. Which feature allows defining approval workflows for vouchers? Options are voucher class, security control, user roles, approval process. So here the correct answer is approval process. D is the correct answer. Next question is to reconcile a bank account you use the options are bank ledger, bank reconciliation statement, payment vouchers, reconciliation report. रिकन्सिलिएशन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement. B is the correct answer. The next question is which mode display ledger names on the left and entries on the right? Options are detailed mode, voucher mode, single entry mode, or vertical mode. So here the correct answer is single entry mode. Next question is which key toggles the calculator in Tally ERP9? So the options are Alt C, Control C, Alt M, or Control N. So here calculator की use होती है Control plus N. Next question is to enable multi-currency you go to. multi-currency enable करने के लिए हमें कुछ option पे जाना पड़ेगा. Options are F11 features से enable multi-currency, F12 में configuration multi-currency settings, C inventory info से currency, then D is gateway of Tally. So option number A is the correct answer. F11 से features then enable कर लेंगे multi-currency को. Question number 12 is the shortcut to alter a ledger is. Options are Alt plus A, Control plus Alt plus A, Control plus Enter, then Alt plus Enter. शॉर्टकट क्या है एक लेजर को ऑल्टर करने का? बेसिकली कंट्रोल प्लस एंटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच यूटिलिटी बैकअप्स कंपनी डाटा? ऑप्शंस आर गेटवे ऑफ टेली देन बैकअप, डिस्प्ले यूटिलिटीज देन बैकअप. थर्ड ऑप्शन इज F3 then company info then backup. D is all of the above. So here the answer A is the correct, gateway of Tally. The next question is which report tracks job work in Tally ERP9? इनमें से कौन सी जॉब है, कौन सी रिपोर्ट है जो जॉब वर्क को ट्रैक करती है? Options are job order register, job work analysis, job work register, job work summary. So here the correct answer is job work summary, जो पूरी रिपोर्ट हमें ट्रैक करके बताता है. So next question is the feature to split expenses across cost center is called. Options are ledger class, cost category, cost center और voucher class. कौन सा फीचर है जो जितने भी एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं कॉस्ट सेंटर के वो स्प्लिट करके सब में डाल देता है. सो इट इज द सेम कॉस्ट सेंटर ओनली. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So this is a bonus question for you. Question is which voucher type is used in Tally ERP 9 to record the transfer of funds between cash and bank accounts? Options are payment voucher, receipt voucher, contra voucher और जनरल वाउचर. सो द क्वेश्चन हियर इज कि कौन सा वाउचर है जो यूज होता है टैली में रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए अगर हमने फंड्स को ट्रांसफर किया कैश से बैंक अकाउंट्स में या बैंक से कैश अकाउंट्स में. तो बेसिकली एक ही होता है. प्लीज गिव द आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. Thank you so much for watching this lecture. Please do like, share this lecture and comment the answer down below. Please subscribe to the channel Mastering Commerce.